Let me show you how to properly use your i3 Mini Sports body camera. Also, I will show you how to pair it with both Android phones and also iPhones. So first, if you turn on your camera and it vibrates and blinks, that means it simply doesn't recognize the card, or we simply need to insert the micro SD memory card. So to insert the card, first let's turn off our camera. So hold for a few seconds, and you see you have this flap here that you want to remove. And as you see, we have a space for a memory card. So if you want to take a memory card, so probably this way. So we simply slide inside here. So you see it goes inside, and then we take our fingernail and push it inside. Also, you see you have your charger port here as well, so Type-C, and also the reset button. So you can click this if your camera maybe doesn't respond. And when using this camera, again, make sure this port is always properly sealed. Then let's turn on our camera by simply pressing and holding the power button for a few seconds. And you see it stays still. That means it's ready to record. If it still blinks, that means we need to format it. I'll show you how to do that. We need to use phone for that. To start recording a video, you press the button once and then the video gets recorded. As you see, it also will blink like this slowly to indicate the video is being recorded. If you want to stop recording the video, you press it simply once more and see it stays still. If you do not use it for 3 minutes, it will turn itself off. And then if you want to pair it with a phone, you have to either in the Apple Store or Play Store, simply search for Sports DV app. Or also you can try this app as well if that one doesn't work, because this camera actually has got multiple different manufacturers. Also, if you open the manual for the camera, you will often find a QR code that you can scan also to find the correct app for your camera. Once you have the app downloaded, simply double press on the button and it will enter the pairing mode. Then what you have to do, you have to go in your phone's Wi-Fi settings. So for example, first on Android phone. So wait a bit till it finds, and you see it finds it here. It should be called something like this. On iPhone, if you're wondering how to do that, we again click and hold on the Wi-Fi. And you see it also finds it here. So we want to simply join the network here. So click on the network, for example, let's say on this one, and it will ask for the password. So the password is 12345678. So it will ask for this. Enter that when it asks. And then we can open the app and click this play button here. So you see it already starts to record here. Okay, so as you see, we can also, for example, zoom in here. Okay, use the slider here. Okay, so you can zoom in. You can take a picture here, start recording a video, and the video recording. If you click here, you can access your files. Simply click here to use internal storage. So you can see the pictures and also videos. So you see, you can either click on the video, for example, so you can see the video instantly here, or simply click the download button. It will get saved to your storage essentially. And if you if you go here in the settings, you can also manage the settings, and I suggest to increase this segmentation to maybe 10 minutes for the best results. And yep, also you see you can format your SD card if it's not properly working, or also you can reset it as well. Also, if you do not want to use it with the phone, if you open the flap, make sure the camera is turned on. So if you plug in the Type-C port, your cable, you can also connect it to a PC, and then it will appear as storage, so you can also use the video there. Also, if you connect to PC, also it can be used as web camera as well, which is absolutely awesome. And also this camera arrives with these very cool accessories as well. For example, this is my favorite one. You can simply hang it on your neck, pull it under your shirt, and you see it attaches. So it's incredibly strong magnet. As you see, you can easily shake it, it won't go anywhere. So you can simply hang it and record as you are going. Or also, for example, we have this alligator clip here. Okay. And also you can get a bunch more accessories as well if you look online for these cameras. So yeah, overall actually very cool camera indeed. Okay, like